Sit back and read.
What's going on, guys?
21 Savage, the cat with the man. 21 Savage, now boys in the hood, but I pull up on you, shoot your ass in the back.
All your videos are
I'm a real street nigga, bitch. I am not one of these niggas banging on back.
What is going on, guys? Big day, big day, big day. You know, a lot different mood with last video. Today's video, we're at Static Days, guys. We freaking did it. TT made it on the trailer. Q7 did great, just scanned it, guys, and guess what? We got no codes. She ain't thrown nothing. She been good to me recently. I'm here with Sneeze, Ashlyn, you already know, and Nico. Nico popped out. Nico's actually gonna help clean this thing, because look at it. Can't be seen like that. This is day one, guys. You guys gotta look spiffy. Basically what we're about to do, we're gonna load some people in the back of the TT. I will get back to you guys once we go into the show. This is Static Days, or Static Nights at the Grove. It was pouring all day. Stopped now, so hopefully we have a window of about 5 hours. This is gonna be a good video, guys. Hopefully you guys freaking enjoy. Let's get it. All right, call me if you need anything. All right, guys, they are currently in the back of the TT right now. I'm gonna get a point of view from them and put it in right now. So enjoy the POV of them in the back.
Real street nigga, bitch. I am not one of these niggas banging on back. Pussy niggas love speak this until I pull up on them, slap them out the fire. Wet your mama house, wet your grandma house.
We made it in, guys. We got a lot of reactions there, but we're about to unload this, get into the unloading now. Oh, there we go.
Wait.
I got your shoes, hold on. Just be careful. Big mini photo. What's up, brother? Drawing a crowd to unload. What the f? Come on first, this.
I'd say this first, right?
Ratchets too. All right, guys. We have a freaking crowd here, but we're about to unload this thing. Hopefully everything goes smooth.
Oh shit. Nobody point that out to him. Let him find that himself.
All right. So before we trying to unload, we found we're in a predicament. The frame rail is sat on the trailer, so thank God the Q7's on air, so we're gonna air it up so that it'll even out.
Unboxing, dude.
All right, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is the Avapow battery pump, 12-volt jump starter and air compressor. I recently purchased this kit off AliExpress.com. I saw a really good deal. It's $25, okay? So this thing's gonna be better than Milwaukee, but we'll see how it goes.
Hold on, wait, what's it called again?
The avocado? Avapow. Avapow. All right, so you got a plug here. You wanna screw your device in. Power. I think I never used this yet. Oh,
you got
it
the
has,
spotlight too?
and wait, it has JDM strobe function.
LS strobes.
Spinners are not functionable when you're powering it on. Pump button. Short press this button to enter inflation mode. Okay. I want PSI. We're already at 36 PSI. 36 PSI. Guys, so this seal is very good. This car came in with 69 PSI. It now has 36 PSI, but we still have not debeated. That's valid. That's valid. But now, let's see if she can handle Stan's car PSI. All right, guys, it is like 6 p.m. and we're still building this thing, but you know, we're gonna show up fashionably late. We just put everything on. I actually didn't record like any of it, but we just quickly built the car in the parking lot. I just gotta line this all up. Quick.
I am right now.
Oh, hi guys. We've just been chilling. It kind of started raining. So I kind of want to pull up on a fashionably late time when everyone can see the car. So I just literally dialed everything. I put the exhaust on 55 PSI.
Shit.
And we're gonna 1, 2, 3. What the hell is that? Guys, Statictt, dude. What the hell? Bro, shout out everyone, yo. There are people coming up to me saying that they watched the videos, bro, and they don't even like know I was gonna pull up. That's crazy, bro. Thank you for all the love, dude. Y'all killing it. So far, I haven't even pulled up though, and people are already coming up to me. It's freaking absolutely nuts. But yeah, we're freaking recording. We gotta fucking, oh, there she's waving. But yeah, we're already drawing a crowd away from the burnout pit. Beamer came. With the wagon, hard, and Nico. Yo, my boy said, he goes, yo, look at that wagon when you pull up. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Still drawing attention over here, guys. This is absolutely insane. But yeah, car is drawing attention away from poopy burnouts. What is it?
I was wrapping the door panel because that's what I'm doing mine. I'm doing
We're
it.
pouring, guys. The vibe has died again. We're trying to pull it.
Spin it first?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can spin it. Yo, I'm gonna try to park up real quick. Come over there. Where? I'm gonna try to park up somewhere. Okay, bet. I'm gonna roll through all these people though. I can't see. My windshield's all fogged the fuck up. God damn.
Yeah, you're gonna have to blow that shit out.
Yeah, I know. Part of the show, we're bringing mad attention right now. It's crazy. You know, I did see Taywavy's here. Kind of wondering where he's at. We're just doing a quick little lap around the venue, you know, showing off the whip. And no one's seen it yet because I've been parked down there.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
No, I'm gonna park next to the Tessie. Huh? Are you in the Tesla?
Please
Or is that-
park next to me, please.
Why not?
I have sole stock.
All right, bet.
What?
Guys, I can't park next to Taywavy.
Oh.
I can't park next to Taywavy.
Bro, you know what's crazy too?
What's up?
All your videos been coming up on my recommended. Keep it up, bro.
I've been watching your shit since like
Nigga, you snap.
15. Yo, here, check it out.
Nigga.
Get that on video.
This shit is crazy, bro. And I've been seeing all the videos come up, like the recommended. I see the thumbnails.
Yeah.
I've been seeing them, bro. I've been seeing doing your thing. Nigga, this is fully custom. Dang.
But yeah, I got all the details. Come here?
Yeah, bro. I just did an E30
How far from here? 2 hours from James and from here. So like right between.
Were you drove on it?
No, I trailered it.
Oh, bro. All it's black.
No, that sticker. All those tattoos are like actually hurt.
Yo, the windshield panel with the stickers is crazy too, bro. Around and park.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah. Do your thing, bro. Do your thing.
I'm gonna turn it around.
That bitch with me, she's so thick. I don't even need a pill. I listen to your raps, thought you was.
Damn, bro. Tilt crazy though. And these rear wheels is tough, bro. Hard, bro. Guys, I literally pulled up when it was raining, and everyone's leaving, but I pulled up, brought a freaking crowd over. That's all that mattered, bro. I want to stay low-key with tonight. I didn't even get a chance to even look around and see the other cars. I might do that later towards the end of the night. The rain is just drizzling, so everyone's kind of relieving out, but you guys have been showing so much love. Saying you tune into the videos and stuff means a freaking lot. But yeah, I guess I'll just get some clips of the show real quick. See, I'm just gonna try to pick up the camera when I can. Otherwise, I'm kind of just talking to people, bro. W girlfriend in the chat doing the videos. She's spinning the spinners, getting the clips. Guys, the two-step competition is going down right now. Can't hear anything. Still haven't walked around the car. Had hella people pulling up. Honestly, probably gonna load up soon. It's raining. I had fun and it's about to be late, so probably gonna get home here now in a little bit here. All right, guys. So it's gonna be the first walk around of the show. I'm late to it. Easy done. The crowd has finally withdrawn. A lot of people left, but yeah. Let's go walk around the car, see what they got going.
Big fan.
Oh, for real?
Of course, bro.
Right when I'm recording the video.
No, bro, I saw you, I ran over
so
here.
much.
Yeah, dude, I've been waiting. I saw you, like, it was all primed and stuff. Ready for paint. Hell yeah, bro.
Oh, 1,500 stars, bro.
Really?
Yeah, dude.
How long did that take?
Oh my God, how long did it take?
At least 4 days.
Yeah, like 4 days, or like nights, like 8 p.m. to like 2 a.m. It's crazy, pouring. No shit, W. Oh, guys, Camber Kid in the cut. Where's the car at? Where's the car at?
Car's in the front over there.
All right, let's go check out Camber Kid's car. He's got spinners. But yeah, they're doing the two-step. I ain't really into that. Ain't really that cool. But oh my God, it's Camber Kid. Yo, if you guys want to see some crazy detail work, like look at the details though. This type of, it's always got this nut. Yo, I sold him my spinners though.
Spinner plug.
Spinner plug. The only thing I'm seeing back here is we gotta get rid of this airlift.
Yeah.
But this car static would be nuts. I wouldn't even want to break. I'm not gonna lie.
I drive it like it's static.
Do you think you could actually stay, like, go static? I don't want you to ruin it.
That's the old
Come here.
The back's not in there because I wasn't gonna open it.
Oh, no, you're good, you're good. Yeah, let's see it.
The
Let's
front,
see
we
it.
can show the front of the spaceship. So
We got the camera. He running YouTube too.
the bucket seats, we got the harnesses. we got
Bucket
the
seats
stars
with the
in
harness.
headliner,
Oh yeah,
fully
and he got the
custom,
starlight.
fully custom.
Oh, I like that setting on your stars. I need to figure mine out. Fully custom everything. Another build that needs more freaking love. At Camber Kid, I already put his at there, but yeah, guys, check it out, bro. W Mans. Guys, this is an example of a car I specifically wanted to see. This thing is nuts. Never seen a Ranger with that much tilt. No. Tubbed rear. Oh my God. And I know he put the taillights on. They're not on, but he did do the RGB tails. Crazy, bro. Big hitter. God dang, dude. W Evo, guys, makes 700 horsepower. He just went static. I seen he always had the PA tag. Nuts. W car, south. This thing's hard. I always see this. This paint, crazy. Oh, this is all this. There. What is this? Slanted. Okay. Wide body's tough. All right. The two-step is OD. It's all Volkswagen, guys. I gotta cut the clip. On the way to go get the truck and the trailer. Yeah, I called it a truck. Supercharged CRX is nutty. What the? All right, guys. Currently getting the trailer.
Niggas love sneak dissing on Twitter. They don't want beef for real. And all these niggas play like they tough. Till a nigga get killed. Till a nigga get your bill. Till your blood get your bill. I'ma at your favorite rapper. Shoot him like a giant. I've been with you since day one. Savage, I ain't hate. So it's over that Instagram shit. Savage, I was just playing.
What is going on? All right, guys. Well, I got a reward. I got best lights. Woo! But all right, let's pull this bumper off. Tuck the fog light up in. Number one static.
Good, come on. Come on, bring it up straight. Okay, that went decent.
right, guys, a little bit of a chaotic video at the end there. Look how there's no one here. We are the last ones out. I still gotta get my reward. I actually won our top 5 Static and best likes of the show. So shout out Owen, shout out Static Struggle. But yeah, honestly, if I saw you guys here, thank you for saying what's up. Good video. It's pretty late, so I'm trying to get home. So sorry if the intro's a little rushed, but I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Later.
Y'all pussy nigga fake. Bitch, I hang around them Haitians. Pull up on you, tie your kids up. Pistol whip you while your bitch